Aya, and today I'm going to be doing Snap Circuit Pro. Build over 500 exciting projects. Have fun learning all about electronics. Now I'm going to be building Project 1. Electric light and switch. The objective is to show how electricity is turned on or off with a switch. These are all the components that you need. This is a lamp socket, a slide switch, a battery holder, four small connectors, and one bigger connector. Now I'm going to start putting the pieces on the board. First, I'm going to start with the battery holder, which goes on 6C. Then we're going to put on the slide switches, which goes on E3, 3E. Then we'll put a lamp socket, which goes on C3. Since we're done putting on the main components, we have to connect them so it makes a closed loop. And I put this here, and then I put the rest on top of the other parts. Here's the finished project. This is how it works. So you turn the switch on, the LED goes on, off, on, off, on, off. Thanks for watching. Bye!